Hi, today I'm from the Oppo A78 5G and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the X-Icon Changer app on this device. So first, to do that, we should get the X-Icon Changer app from the Play Store. That's why open the Play Store app and in the search bar enter the X-Icon Changer application. Here you will see the app. Just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download it and then install it on your device. Then just tap to open the app. And here we should select one from these available applications. For example, let's change the camera app. Just if you want to rename it, click on this edit icon. You will see here the library with different folders of the icons. You could use them. Let's open it once again. So, for example, the camera, just here we'll see the library with the default icons. Also, we could use photo from our device gallery or to take a picture now in camera application. For example, I'll use one from these libraries icons. So this is the camera one. Just let's tap on the OK in the right upper corner. After that, now we should skip these videos. Tap to this X icon. And now click to add button. We could go to desktop or to change the next icon by the same way. So let's just check now our camera application. So this is the new one and this is the default camera app shortcut. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.